Amiral Oud is a luxurious and long-lasting fragrance with a sophisticated blend of sweet woody and aromatic elements. The top notes feature saffron, cardamom, and bergamot, providing a luxurious spicy and fresh start. The middle notes highlight agarwood, oud, rose jasmine, and oriental spices, creating a deep woody floral and complex heart. The base notes of patchouli, vanilla, amber, and musk offer a rich, sweet, warm, and sensual foundation, rounding out the fragrance with a luxurious and enduring finish. Performance elements of Amiral Oud. Longevity. Amiral Oud is known for its excellent longevity, often lasting throughout the day or night with just one application. Its rich and opulent blend of notes ensures that the fragrance remains present for extended periods. Sillage. The fragrance offers strong sillage, meaning it leaves a noticeable and luxurious trail that can be detected by others in the vicinity. This makes it a standout choice for making a memorable impression. Projection. The projection of Amiral Oud is moderate to strong, projecting well from the wearer without being overly overpowering. It strikes a balance between being noticeable and remaining elegant. Season. The rich, warm, and spicy nature of Amiral Oud makes it particularly suitable for cooler seasons like autumn and winter. Its deep and comforting notes are perfect for colder weather, providing a warm and enveloping experience. Additional seasons. Amiral Oud, while traditionally rich and deep, can be worn in spring and summer with thoughtful application. In spring, the fresh bergamot and green jasmine notes complement the season's freshness, making it suitable for evenings or cooler days. In summer, it works well for evening or indoor events, with its fresh and sweet top and middle notes offering a pleasant experience. Applying it lightly can prevent it from being overpowering in warmer weather. Occasion. Amiral Oud is ideal for special occasion, evening events, or times when a more sophisticated and luxurious presence is desired. Its opulent and complex scent profile makes it a great choice for formal gatherings, romantic evenings, or any setting where making a refined impression is important. Type. The fragrance belongs to the Oriental woody category, characterized by its rich, warm, and complex composition. The blend of oud spices, floral, and sweet elements creates a sophisticated and captivating scent profile. Style. Amiral Oud is designed for those who appreciate luxury and sophistication in their fragrance choices. It is suitable for individuals who want to make a statement with their scent and enjoy a fragrance that embodies elegance and opulence. Mood. The fragrance evokes a mood of confidence and opulence. It is ideal for those looking to enhance their aura with a scent that reflects their sophisticated taste and love for luxurious experiences. Al Wahid brand offers a quality roll-on attar at a very affordable price, providing a pleasant and soothing fragrance suitable for regular or party use, and is a great product to awaken positive vibes and enhance your mood. You can use it as a pocket roll-on attar. Apply half a milliliter per use for best results. Do not apply on the body, for apparel use only. And do not consume odoriferous substances. All ingredients listed are synthetic aroma chemicals used to create the fragrance notes. Thank you for watching. We hope you found this information useful. Please share your valuable feedback.